Acting workshops. Melbourne and every town across the world is full of acting workshops. And it's so hard on the poor actor. They don't know which one to do. Their agents call them and say, you must do this one. They feel pressured to do another one. They're nervous about this one. It comes down to this. Acting workshops, or what we call intense weekends, are created for us to show you certain skills and certain knowledge that we have. I've studied with amazing people. I spent 20 years in LA. Stella Adler was a brilliant teacher. I studied with her directly. At the Actors Studio, I studied with certain people from the studio, and I spent many, many years at the Lee Strasberg Institute studying with some brilliant teachers over there. The things that I learned, I also learned through a lot of people from the studio. They taught me how this is what this exercise looks like in class. This is what it looks like in the real world. This is how you apply it in the real world. And that's what I'm hoping to show people. This is the ingredient. This is the tool. I can show it to you. You can understand it in a few minutes. But to master it, to actually make it a usable skill, takes the rest of your life. And you can do that at home. Once you see the ingredients, I say, take this home now, practice it, learn it, study it. So that then it's not just an exercise or an acting exercise. It's actually something that I see in your work. I want to see it when you're on stage. I want to see it when you're auditioning. And that's another part of the workshop that I want to see. I really want to see actors, especially the ones that get on that stage, to come here and show me their ideas. That's what makes you an actor. You read a script, you get certain ideas, and you go, I see things. I see things that other people don't see. And it's not enough to see it. I want you to be able to show it to me. That's what I'm looking forward to. Those actors that get on stage, bring me your ideas. Don't come to me and say, how shall I do this? That's not an actor. That's an acting student. An actor comes on the set with ideas, and we need those ideas. We want them, and you're going to learn how to deliver them. As I tell people here, everyone gets the exact same script. They don't print a different script out for the famous actor and give you a shitty one. You get the exact same script. It's what they do with that script that defines their career. And that's what we can learn on that weekend. What you do, what you see in that script that makes your work different from someone else's.